Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you how to remove and replace the glove box. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. So everything you need to remove the glove box, it's a 7mm socket, because just down here on the bottom you will have three 7mm screws. So one here, and one here on this side. So remove those three screws to start with. Okay, once you have all the screws out, next thing you want to do, just want to open the glove box, and to completely remove it you will have two black pins, one on each side, so one here and one just here. So all you have to do, you have to kind of press this plastic piece of the glove box in to pull this pin out, and you have to do that on both sides. Ideally you would use both of your hands at the same time, but it's doable with only one hand without any kind of problem. And that's it. This is how you can remove the glove box on 2011 Ford Escape. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.